Okay guys, let's take a look at this. This is a FM radio alarm clock that has sounds. It has different colors. There's 5 colors that you can set it to. It wakes you up with a simulated sunlight, and it also will help you go to sleep with a simulated sunset. And it has natural sounds, or you can wake to the radio or to an alarm, I believe. So let's get this out. And the clock. I liked it because it kind of looked retro, like a clock that I used to use when it was in that clock. It was like this mirror thing that I had in it looks like something from the 70s or 60s, but anyway. So this is the clock, and here's your buttons. Let's see. It looks like that it can be, I don't know if it can be charged and used wirelessly as well as through the standard outlet. Okay, so let me just, that's your antenna there. Okay, so here's where the USB goes, the mini USB. I'm going to put that right there. And then it also requires, I don't know if it requires, maybe it might not require it if we're plugging it in. So let's just see what's going to go on with this. That might be, you have the rubber feet right there, so that's the way that piece of the box or something on that goes. And then this USB goes right into here, and then it goes into your standard outlet. So plug that in just a second. Just want to open the user's manual for 1 minute. Okay, so it says that the LED time display in 12-hour to 24-hour format, sunrise, wake-up light simulation, sunset light, 5 nature sounds to wake up to, bedside lamp, white light, flux, 1 to 10 levels of brightness for the light, 7 colors of the light, automatically changes the color of light, radio, FM plus antenna, 15 volume levels, touch mode, power supply, DC, 3 AA batteries, USB cables. So I believe that's 3 different power sources. Don't press 2 or more keys at the same time to avoid failure. Interval of every touch must be more than 1 second. If there are malfunctions, please unplug the unit for 3 seconds. If the batteries are not used for a long time, please remove. Use batteries as a backup power source if the electricity is down or there's no access to the network computer. Okay. Being that I have my computer right here, and it's so easy and I don't have to go anywhere, I will just see if I can power it up with just the USB cable here. Yes, I can. Okay, so it's flashing 12, and let's see if I just go, I don't know, let me see what time it is. 3:58, okay. And where's our set button? Would that be it? Yes. Okay, so we just hit the clock, and now oh, we can just hold that. Okay, good. We're good now. That part is good. Okay, so let's see. The light is green. That looks like purple, pink. Green. Okay. Really Oh, you can take it up in intensity and down. Go to the next color. Oh, those are our colors. Look at that. That's really nice. Purple, orange, teal, green, red, blue. Back to purple again. That's nice. And if we, yeah, those just bring us through that. And then we've got this. I think this is to set the time that we want the sunrise, and this is to set the alarm. Use the plus and minus to adjust to 1 through 7 sounds. Well, that's what I was doing. Each sound will be playing for 10 seconds before your choice. Okay, nature sounds. Use the music button. Oh, that's one. Oh, that's the second one. It's an ocean. Oops, I think I accidentally. I don't know why 7 is not playing. Doesn't tell us. Oh, 7, okay, is your radio. That's why. 7 would be your radio, your last listen to station that you can use as your alarm. So nothing's wrong with that. That's the way it should be. And there it is, guys. So, if you like this, you can find this right on Amazon. And thanks for watching.